So today, just showing you a quick little tip with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. A lot of people have problems getting the gimbal cover on, but I'm going to show you how you do it without any foam.
Big box, little box.
Turned on. This is straight after a flight, so just have it upwards. Carefully place that over so you're not touching the gimbal as much as possible. Clip the top in, then the bottom in, and I'm not sure if you can see, but the gimbal is perfectly positioned. Now you can just turn your drone off, and yeah, perfect, no problems. It's a little bit warm, but it's not massively overheating. I know people say these have a lot of problems with overheating, but I've not had any problems. I charge mine, I run my updates even like that, and I've had no overheating issues. So yeah, my little tip for you today. Thank you, I'm Danny, this is Big Bots, Little Bots, Arm Bots. Please like and subscribe if this is helpful. I'm going to be doing a lot more Mini 3 Pro videos. Thank you.
Big box, little box.